Hello world, Becca here from Inside the Square with another CSS tutorial. Today I'd like to show you how to hide the automatic dash that's placed before the quote source. Now Squarespace quote blocks have a pretty good style right out of the box, but this automatic dash is not always in line with the websites that I design. So I'd like to show you how to hide it with just a little piece of CSS code. So to get to the code section where we're going to be able to make this update, we're at the main menu. I'll scroll down to design, and then down to custom CSS. Now this code is directly beneath the video, so feel free to just copy and paste it right out of here. I'm going to place that in the custom CSS section and select save. Now you'll notice what I'm actually doing is changing the font size to 0. If you use the standard CSS code that we do a lot, known as display none, that'll actually remove the entire quote source, and that's not what we want. So we need to set the font size to 0 to make sure that that dash isn't visible. Now let's say you want it to be visible, but you want it to be a slightly different color than the rest of the quote or the quote source. That code is beneath the video as well. I'll go ahead and just paste this in here so you guys can see it. This is just going to paste the hex code. I'll go ahead and change this to a blue so it'll stand out a little bit differently. You can see what we're working on here. So again, that's just to change the color of the dash before the quote source, or if you'd like to hide it, paste the code that's beneath the video that says font size 0, and that will remove it from visibility. All right, that's it for today's tutorial. Have fun with your Squarespace website at insidethesquare.co. Thanks for watching and have fun with your Squarespace website.